Hey there, science fans. Are you ready to embark on a colorful journey through the wonders of chemistry? Get ready to unleash your inner scientist with some amazing color-changing experiments you can do right at home. Imagine turning your kitchen into a vibrant laboratory where magic happens right before your eyes. We're talking about hands-on science that's as fun as it is educational. These experiments are perfect for curious minds and budding scientists. You'll not only learn about chemical reactions, but also witness the spectacular changes they bring. Get ready to be amazed as we explore the fascinating world of chemistry and witness colors transform before your very eyes. From simple ingredients to stunning results, these experiments will show you the magic hidden in everyday items. From the kitchen to the living room, we'll turn your house into a science lab. Imagine the excitement of discovering new colors and reactions with your family and friends. It's a perfect way to spend quality time while learning something new. We'll use everyday ingredients to create mind-blowing reactions that'll leave you and your friends in awe. Things like baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring can create spectacular effects that seem almost magical. Are you ready to dive into a world of bubbling concoctions, color-changing liquids, and a rainbow of chemical reactions? Let's get started. Grab your lab coats, gather your materials, and prepare to be amazed by the wonders of science. Whether you're a seasoned experimenter or a first-time scientist, there's something here for everyone. So let's roll up our sleeves and see what incredible transformations we can create together. Our first experiment features a special ingredient from your refrigerator: red cabbage. Believe it or not, red cabbage juice can tell us if something is acidic or basic, alkaline. How cool is that? We call this a pH indicator, a substance that changes color depending on the pH level of a solution. To create our red cabbage pH indicator, we'll first need to extract the color-changing magic from the cabbage. Chop up some red cabbage and boil it in water for about 10 minutes. The water will turn a beautiful purplish blue color as the cabbage releases its secret ingredient, anthocyanin. Remember the word anthocyanin? These natural pigments are responsible for the vibrant colors of many fruits and vegetables like blueberries, grapes, and of course red cabbage. But here's the really cool part. Anthocyanins are like chameleons and they change color depending on the acidity or basicity of their environment. In acidic solutions, low pH, anthocyanins turn a vibrant red or pink. In basic or alkaline solutions, high pH, they transform into shades of blue or green. And when the solution is neutral, pH around 7, they maintain a purplish hue. It's like magic, but it's actually science. Next up, let's create a mesmerizing, color-changing lava lamp right in your own home. This simple yet fascinating experiment will not only captivate your audience, but also teach some basic principles of chemistry and physics. This experiment is a guaranteed crowd pleaser, combining science and art in a dazzling display. Imagine the delight on your friends and family's faces as they watch the vibrant colors dance and swirl inside the bottle. It's a perfect activity for a rainy day, a science fair project, or just a fun way to spend an afternoon. For this experiment, you'll need a clear bottle or jar, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and a secret ingredient, Alka-Seltzer tablets. These common household items come together to create a stunning visual effect that mimics the look of a real lava lamp. Fill the bottle with vegetable oil, leaving some space at the top. The oil will form the base of our lava lamp, providing a medium for the colorful blobs to float and move. Add water until it's about an inch or two high. The water will sink to the bottom, creating a separate layer beneath the oil. This separation is crucial for the lava lamp effect. Now for the fun part, add a few drops of your favorite food coloring. You can choose a single color or mix several to create a more dynamic and vibrant display. The food coloring will mix with the water, creating colorful blobs at the bottom of the oil. As the Alka-Seltzer tablets react with the water, they will produce carbon dioxide gas, causing the colored water blobs to rise and fall, mimicking the mesmerizing motion of a lava lamp. This is where the magic happens, as the colorful blobs float up and down, creating a beautiful and ever-changing display. The science behind this is simple yet fascinating. The gas bubbles lift the colored water, and when the bubbles pop, the water sinks back down, creating a continuous cycle of movement. So gather your materials and let's get started on this amazing chemical light show. Section 5. The science behind the fizz, how Alka-Seltzer works. Remember the secret ingredient? It's time to unleash the power of Alka-Seltzer. Drop a tablet into the bottle and watch as it fizzes and creates a mesmerizing lava lamp effect. But why the fizz? Alka-Seltzer tablets contain citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, also known as baking soda. When these ingredients meet water, they react to produce carbon dioxide gas. These gas bubbles attach themselves to the colored water droplets, making them lighter than the oil. The result? Colorful blobs of water rise and fall within the oil, just like a real lava lamp. Section 6. pH rainbows on paper, a spectrum of chemical reactions. Ready to create your own pH rainbow? This fun and educational experiment will help you understand the fascinating world of acids and bases. For this experiment, we'll use universal pH indicator paper, a special type of paper that changes color to indicate the pH level of a solution. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with lower numbers indicating acidic solutions, higher numbers indicating basic solutions, and 7 being neutral. You can find universal pH indicator paper online or at science supply stores. It's a handy tool for various science experiments and is quite affordable. Gather a variety of liquids from around your house, such as lemon juice, vinegar, baking soda solution, soapy water, and tap water. Each of these liquids has a different pH level, which will help you see a range of colors on the pH paper. Dip a strip of pH paper into each liquid and observe the color change. Notice how the paper changes color almost instantly, revealing the pH level of the liquid. Compare the color of the strip to the pH color chart that comes with the indicator paper. This chart will help you determine the exact pH level of each liquid. For example, lemon juice might turn the paper a reddish color, indicating it is acidic, while soapy water might turn it blue or green, indicating it is basic. This experiment is not only educational, but also a lot of fun. It's a great activity for kids and adults alike, making it perfect for family science night or a classroom demonstration. Be sure to record your results in a notebook. Note the color changes and the corresponding pH levels. This will help you understand the properties of different household liquids and how they interact with the pH indicator paper. After the experiment, clean up your workspace and wash your hands. Proper cleanup is important to ensure safety and maintain a tidy environment for future experiments. Discuss the results with your family or classmates. What did you learn about the pH levels of different liquids? How did the colors compare to what you expected? Sharing your findings can lead to interesting discussions and further exploration. Remember, science is all about curiosity and discovery. Keep exploring and stay curious. Section 7. Decoding the pH scale from acidic lemons to alkaline soap. The pH scale ranges from 0 to 14, with 7 being neutral. Solutions with a pH less than 7 are considered acidic, while those with a pH greater than 7 are basic or alkaline. Lemon juice and vinegar, for example, are acidic and will turn the pH paper red or orange. Baking soda solution, on the other hand, is basic and will turn the paper blue or green. By testing different liquids, you can create a beautiful pH rainbow and learn about the acidity and basicity of everyday substances. Section 8. Safety first, science fun second. Before we go any further, remember that safety always comes first when doing any science experiment. Always wear safety goggles to protect your eyes, and have an adult present to supervise, especially when working with heat or chemicals. Make sure to clean up spills immediately and dispose of chemicals properly. And most importantly, have fun. Section 9. Explore, experiment, discover. These color-changing experiments are just the beginning of your scientific journey. The world of science is full of fascinating phenomena waiting to be explored. Don't be afraid to experiment, ask questions, and try new things. You never know what amazing discoveries you might make. Section 10. The never-ending wonders of science. Science is more than just textbooks and formulas. It's a way of observing and understanding the world around us. From the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, science is full of wonder and excitement. So keep your curiosity alive, your mind open, and never stop exploring the amazing world of science. Section 11. Keep asking questions. Remember, the most important thing is to never stop asking questions. Why is the sky blue? How do birds fly? Why do these color-changing experiments work the way they do? Curiosity is the driving force of scientific discovery. So keep asking questions, seeking answers, and exploring the world around you. Stay curious, my friends.